Hello everyone, you're watching HMJ Study channel. We already have solved practice set 8.1. Now let's start with practice set 8.2 of class 8, chapter 8, quadrilateral constructions and types. We have divided 8.2 into two parts. This is part 1, and in this part we'll solve question 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's start with first question. Draw a rectangle ABCD such that length of AB 6 centimeters and length of BC 4.5 centimeters. So let's draw the rough figure. Name it as A, B, C, D. You can name it from here A, B, C, D. Okay, so write the given information. Length of AB is 6 centimeters. So AB is 6 centimeters. As we are drawing the rectangle, the property of rectangle says the opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. If AB is 6 centimeters, DC will also be 6 centimeters. The other information given is BC 4.5 centimeters. Here this is our BC 4.5 centimeters. Opposite side is DA. It will also measure 4.5 centimeters. We already know the property of rectangle that every angle measures 90 degree. You can refer the video of property of rectangle. The link is given in description. So let's start with AB. We will draw AB. The measure of it is, length of it is 6 centimeters. So draw segment AB 6 centimeters. Name it as AB 6 centimeters. The next step will be 90 degree angle on A. So keep the protractor properly on vertex A, 90 degree. Mark it up here. Take a scale. Joint two of the points A and this marked one. This is 90 degree. Do the same using vertex B. Take protractor. Keep it on vertex B in this way. Mark on 90 degree. Joint the points. Angle B measures 90 degree. Now BC is 4.5 centimeters. Take a compass. 4.5 centimeters in the compass using scale. Here is my 4.5 centimeters. So keeping on vertex B, make an arc here. The same 4.5 centimeters. Keeping on vertex A, make an arc here. Now these two arcs can be joined. So these points R or D and C. This is 6 centimeters. Opposite side will be 6 centimeters. BC is 4.5 centimeters. So opposite side will also be 4.5 centimeters. This is 90 degree angle. These two angles are 90 degree. Angle C will also be 90 degree. Angle D will also be 90 degree. So here a rectangle ABCD is ready. Let's start with second question now. Draw a square WXYZ. So we will draw a rough figure first. WXYZ, name it as WXYZ with side 5.2 centimeters. As we know, all the sides of square is of equal length. So 5.2 centimeters. This will also be 5.2 centimeters, 5.2 centimeters and 5.2 centimeters. All the angles measures 90 degree. Let's start drawing. XY first, side XY first, 5.2 centimeters. So keep it here, starting from 0 till 5.12. 5.2 centimeters. Name it as X, Y, 5.2 centimeters. Now 90-degree angle on X and Y. So using protractor, keeping on point X in this way, mark it up on 90-degree. Join these 2 points. The same protractor on Y, 90-degree here. Join it using scale. Now we have to get this W vertex, we need 5.2 centimeters in the compass. So using scale, take 5.2 in the compass, 5.2, keeping on vertex X. Make an arc here. Same 5.2, keeping on vertex Y. Make an arc on this line. These 2 points are nothing but our W and Z. So we will join this first. Name it as WZ. 90-degree, 90-degree, 90 and 90. 5.2 centimeters, 5.2 centimeters and 5.2 centimeters. So our square WXYZ is ready. The third question is, draw a rhombus KLMN such that its side is 4 centimeters and measure of angle K is 75. We will start with the rough figure. As angle K is given, I'll start it with here KLMN. Its sides 4 centimeters. The property of rhombus says all the sides of rhombus is congruent. So 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Angle K is 75 degree. So this will measure 75 degree. Let's start with the drawing. We'll take KL first, 4 centimeters. So using scale, 4 centimeters will be till here, starting from 0. Name it as KL 4 centimeters. Now 75 degree on vertex K here. So this is my K. Keep the protractor here in this way. Go for 0, 10, 20. I need 75. So 70 and 5 small points after 70. So 75. Join this. So angle K 75 degree. Now as we know, rhombus, opposite sides of rhombus, actually the shape should be this. The opposite sides of rhombus is parallel. So using set square and scale, we'll draw the opposite side as parallel. But before we draw side NM, we have to go for 4 centimeters to get this vertex N. So using compass, taking 4 centimeters in it, using scale, take 4 centimeter, keeping on vertex K, on this line, make an arc. This is nothing but our N. We need a line here parallel to KL. This line means line NM will be parallel to K. So using scale and set square, we will draw the parallel line in this way. We need it on point N. So draw a line. This line is parallel to line KL. We need M now. So 4 centimeters again in the compass. It was 4 centimeter only, but we'll check it once. 4 centimeters. Keeping on point L, make an arc. So you got a point on this line. So this is our point. intersecting point. Draw L with this intersecting point. This new point, new vertex is M. So KLMN rhombus is ready. 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Okay, that's it about third question. We'll start with fourth now. So let's start with fourth question. If diagonal of rectangle is 26 centimeters and one side is 24 centimeters, find the other side. Diagonal of a rectangle means I will draw a rough rectangle here in this way. This is rough rectangle, okay, and name it as A, B, C, D. The diagonal is 26 centimeters. Diagonal means this. This measures 26 centimeters and one side is 24 centimeters. Suppose BC is 24 centimeters. So find the other side. You know the properties of rectangle. Opposite sides are of equal length. So AD will also be 24 centimeters. So which side you have to find? Either side AB or side DC. So we will write whatever we have written here. Let quadrilateral ABCD be the given rectangle. In this, length of BC is 24 centimeters and length of AC, that is diagonal, is 26 centimeters. Now to find this AB, one of the property of rectangle says all the angles of rectangle measures 90 degree. So here if we go for triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can find AB length. We will start with this right angle triangle. In right angled triangle, name the right angle triangle, that is ABC. ABC. Write the name of the angle which measures 90 degree, that is angle B. Measure of angle B is 90 degree. So this is right angle triangle, therefore by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus another side square. The video of Pythagoras theorem is given. You can refer that video to understand this theorem well. So hypotenuse is AC. AC square will be equal to one side square, that is AB square. AB square plus another side square, that is BC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. So what is given? Here in the question AC is given. AC measures 26 centimeters. So write instead AC. 26 square is equal to AB we don't know. So keep this AB as it is. AB square plus BC measures 24 centimeters. So BC square means 24 square. Now the square of 26. What is the square of 26? Yes, that is 676. Is equals to AB square. So we don't know, therefore we will keep this AB square as it is, plus the square of 24 is 576. I made a video on the squares of numbers and I told you to go for squares minimum till 30. So it is given in the video, 5 things to learn before starting the class 8th maths. Okay, so keep this length of AB square as it is. this 676 here, bring this 576 opposite side, it will change the sign, plus gets minus here 576. Deduct this 676 minus 576, you will get 100 equal to length of AB square. Now I'll keep it, I'll write it properly. Length of AB square is equals to 100. Now take the square root. So taking square root, it will become length of AB is equals to, what is the square root of 100? That is 10. So you got the length of AB as 10. You can write the length of other side of rectangle is 10 centimeters. Okay, that's it about part 1 of practice set 8.2. We'll meet soon in part 2 of the same practice set. Thank you.